Welcome back to Inventor Kids TV. It is I, Captain Pirate. Walk the plank, scurry dog! And I am behind us, the pirate team. So, today we shall be talking about our pirate ship. Yes. So, it has many cool things like, let's see. So we have this is the one that we built. There are two, so it's a 2-in-1. It has 330 pieces. So the sail can move like this, and so can the fin down in the water. So I will show you our model. It's right. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa, that is so cool. What happened to my pirate boat? Oh well. That is so cool. Well, let's try steering wheel. As I was telling you, the fin would move. You mean the rudder? Yeah. The rudder and fin. And over here, as Captain Pirate Vihan told you, the sail would move. This boat was built using Technic pieces, very strong Lego pieces. Are, well, big, small, and medium. And according to gear ratios, which means how many little teeth are in the gear, they either speed up or slow down. So, 2 gears, if you spin one, as you can see, with this gear and this gear, if I spin this one, the second one will go in the opposite direction. That's why we use 3 gears. So if you direct your attention over here, you can see that this is being spun with these gears, and these gears are connected through a shaft which is being spun by the gear down there. So Pirate Captain Vihan? Yes? Could you explain how your main sail mechanism works? Yes. So we have these gears. As my brother was telling you, the gear ratios matter. So when you do this, the gears spinning these. Well, if we want to spin this, we basically have to spin this, spinning this, which is spinning the gears, moving this. So it's like this. So it pulls this. And then, so that's how the fin or the sail moves. So, bravo, I would Captain Viraj. So, the whole boat, of course, it wouldn't look like a boat without the design. But I doubt this can actually float, because it's got all the holes and stuff. So, that's why we added wheels. So, it's just like, oh, and boats are always at a tilt. So, sailboats are always at a tilt, and a lot of other kind of boats. So, we added that tilt too. So, and look at it. So, why don't we sail off, Vihan? We hope you had fun watching this. We had fun making this. Happy and are inventing. Bye!